Hey everyone! Today I want to show you how to watch football matches live on mobile or PC. First, you need to open your favorite browser. Once your browser is open, you need to type Sky Sports in the address bar. After typing Sky Sports, click on the Enter key. After clicking on the Enter key, a new page will open. In the new page, you need to click on the first link. After clicking on the first link, Sky Sports will start opening in front of you. As soon as Sky Sports opens, you will see a button at the top called Sports. Click on it. After clicking on it, a lot of options will appear in front of you. We are going to click on Sports from these options. After clicking on Sports, a new page will start opening. As soon as the new page of Sports opens, you just have to scroll down. After scrolling down, you will see a lot of options for football matches that are going to happen or that have happened. The option of live football will also appear to you here. Scroll down a bit. After scrolling, you will see a button here called Get Sky Sports. Click on it. After clicking on it, a new page will open. As soon as the new page opens, you will see a button here called Subscribe. If you come here, you will see that they are charging €34.99 for your subscription. And for this, there is another website. So we open a new tab. After opening a new tab, you have to write here BT Sports. After writing BT Sports, you have to click on Enter. After clicking on Enter, a new page will open. As soon as the new page opens in front of you, you have to click on the first link here. After clicking on the first link, it will start opening in your laptop. As soon as it opens, you just have to scroll down here. After scrolling down, you can see here. There is another website where you can enjoy different match scores. Here you will see photos of these teams. You can see them and enjoy them. And if you scroll up here, you will see a button here called BT TV Package. Click on it. After clicking on it, the package section will start opening in front of you. As soon as it opens, you can see here that they are charging €50 per month. And a discount is given here for the first 3 months. Only €1 per month for the first 3 months of your broadband and TV packages. That means you can use TV and its broadband for the first 3 months for only €1. This is the website where you can watch live football matches.
Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like it.